Next chapter or next topic is biotechnology and its application. So we have to do biotechnology and its application. So take out that and start with first 5 questions. So in the meantime, all students will join. चेक करो अपने पास है कि नहीं पीडीएफ है. मुझे पता है, माधुरी मैडम told me that she has sent you the PDF. है कि नहीं पहले बोलो. हाँ, and then start.
Yes ma'am.
हाँ, तो start करो first 5 questions. In the meantime, everybody will join. I will also take out my laptop. I think last time we had completed first few questions, isn't it?
Yes ma'am.
हाँ, मुझे याद है. देखो, those students, I hope 1 minute, I will check whether everybody had joined. 27 students are there. I think that everybody is there. देखो, first question जो है, we will revise those students who have not done it. Identify the area not involved in biotechnology research. What will be the answer for this? Yes, anyone?
To create human clones.
Correct. You know, when Dolly ship was produced, you know Dolly ship. Have you heard about Dolly ship?
Yes, clone.
It is not there in our syllabus now, but few years before, how that Dolly ship was produced, it was there in our syllabus. Now it is removed. So that Dolly ship, it is a mammal. And when that clone was successful, scientists were thinking about cloning human being, but it is against ethics. See, if you go on preparing, if you means human being, go on preparing clones like this of human being, what will happen? Already we are having too much population on the earth. And naturally, if any terrorist who is very rich, if he makes clone of himself, what will happen? You can just imagine. And that is why ban was there. Everybody, all nations banned this clone. And that is why human clone is not produced now. Now, next question, in which field application of biotechnology occurs?
All of the above.
Yes, you know, medicine, vaccines are produced, agriculture, GMO crops, you know, GM plants, that is genetically modified plants, and environmental field. One example I will give you, maybe you may be knowing that, Pseudomonas putida. Do you know this name? Pseudomonas putida. Have you heard about this bacteria? If no, I will tell you. You can write down that if you want. Pseudomonas putida. 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 Should I write the spelling on the board? Pseudomonas putida. It is a genetically modified bacteria. And it can remove, it can digest oil spills. Oil spills. आपको पता है ना oil spills? So that is environmental field. So all the above is your answer. How many we have done from this? 5 questions? Yes, anyone? How many questions we have completed?
Yes, ma'am. First 5 questions.
So now we'll start with 6. Why to waste time in that? Shall I give you time for that, or that directly we will start? You want 5 minutes time for that? Okay, question number 6. I will give you 1 minute and then I will start. This is very simple. Question number 6. Organisms whose genes have been manipulated are known as. What they are called as?
Genetically modified organisms.
Correct. Genetically modified organism, that is GMO. 7th, Bt toxin is produced by?
Bacillus thuringiensis.
Correct. Bacillus thuringiensis. Thermus aquaticus, do you remember? Where we
Yes.
are come across?
Yes.
PCR.
PCR.
Yes, correct. PCR technique, that enzyme is obtained from Thermus aquaticus. Okay. Next question. The crystals produced by Bacillus thuringiensis contain? What it contains?
Toxic insecticidal protein.
Yes, it contains Bacillus thuringiensis. It is having one gene, that is BT2 gene or cry gene, and it produces one insecticide called as thurioside. You have heard about this or you have read about this. And this thurioside, it is a toxic which will kill the insects. So answer is D, toxic insecticidal protein. Next one, the genes which are responsible to control cotton ball worms and corn borers are? This may be, you may not be knowing because it is not, I think, given in the book. Is it given in the module? अपने notes में है ये या नहीं है?
Yes, ma'am. B option.
Second option, cry 2AB and cry 1AB. Cry का मतलब है crystalline. This protein which is there, it is crystalline protein. So the name is given as cry. Next one, question number 10. Which one of the following statement is wrong in relation to transgenic BT cotton plant? What do you think about this question 10? You have to tell me which is wrong statement. Yes, anybody? You know, insecta is subdivided into different subphylums. Up in that, Lepidoterman is given. So it is subphylum of insecta. So what do you think about this? Anyone? Or should I give you answer for this? See, actually, two answers, two options are confusing us, isn't it? The first one is crop yield loss due to attack of Bacillus thuringiensis bacterium is reduced. This we think it may be correct. Why? What is the reason? Because you know Bacillus thuringiensis, this bacteria which is there. Do you think this is the answer? Bacillus thuringiensis does not attack the plant, isn't it? Means it attacks the plant, but disease is not caused. So, answer for this is, yes, what you think? I should not give answer, isn't it? Anyone?
Ma'am, C option.
Yes. I also think in the same way, the answer will be the use of chemical insecticides in the cotton field is minimized. Because when this BT2 gene is introduced into the plant, what happened? This actually it produced that thurioside, and this thurioside, when it enters into the insects, what happens? You know, the midgut of the insect gets swollen and the insect will die. So naturally, when it is introduced, there is no need of chemicals. And that is why chemical insecticide, the use of chemical insecticide is reduced in the cotton field. So C will be answer. Actually, if you see the answers behind, I think the answer is given A. But A answer is not correct. Answer is C. So C is our answer. Now, question number 11. Everybody should participate. You should give answer. If it is wrong, doesn't make any difference. लेकिन सब लोगों ने solve करना चाहिए, because I can see means I can hear only one student is giving answer. That is not correct. Girls, I hope you are there. You are not sleeping. So identify the incorrect statement regarding BT cotton. Incorrect, huh? सीईटी में पूछा था आपने, सीईटी में, महाराष्ट्र सीईटी। क्या होगा इसका आंसर? यस, एनीवन? वल्नरेबल मीन जिसपे डिसीज हो सकता है, प्रोबेबिलिटी इज देयर, दैट इज वल्नरेबल। इसका मीनिंग नहीं समझा होगा तो
ऑप्शन ए।
हाँ, यस, ऑप्शन ए इज इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट, क्योंकि बाकी तो सब करेक्ट है। सो आंसर ए इज करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. In BT cotton, the BT toxin present in the plant tissue as protoxin is converted into active toxin due to easy
alkaline pH of insect gut.
Correct. Alkaline pH of the insect gut. 13. In BT cotton, Bacillus thuringiensis produces a toxin. क्या हो रहा है? Toxic insecticidal crystalline protein which destroys bollworm. What do you think about this? 13. देखो confusing है ना? We feel that A is correct, B is also correct. But reason is more correct, isn't it? Assertion,
Yes.
assertion we think indirectly it is correct. That Bacillus thuringiensis produces a toxic insecticidal crystalline protein which destroys bollworm. But it will not destroy the bollworm directly. That means reason is more correct. Assertion, actually it is not wrong, it is also correct. But reason is more correct, isn't it? So I think the answer should be C. What do you think? Assertion and reason both are correct. No, it is D. Assertion and reason both are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. What do you think? According to me, question 13, D should be the answer. Last one. What do you feel? Yes? No answer? Okay. Proceed further. Question 14. Acidic pH of the insect gut converts inactive BT toxin into active form. And most of the BT toxins are insect group specific. What is the answer for that? This is question number, I think, 14.
D option.
Yes. A is false because acidic pH, it should be alkaline. So A is false, but R is true. Next one, Bacillus thuringiensis expresses protein that do not provide resistance against. This is, I think, 15, no? Yes, it is 15. Yes, it will not provide resistance definitely against fungi. Maybe the other may be correct. Because according to me, remaining all are insecta. So maybe they will be providing resistance against them. But last one is not at all possible because fungi is definitely different from these animals, isn't it? Because first three are animals, insecta. तो last वाला तो बिल्कुल ही अलग है, तो fungi is correct answer. Now next one, Melunogayan incongentia is an example. Is an example of. Have you come across this name any time?
Yes, ma'am.
What it is?
Nematode.
It is a nematode, correct. It is given somewhere in the CBSE book. Now, which part of the tobacco plant is infected by that nematode?
Root.
Root, correct. Next one, the strategy used to prevent infestation of tobacco plant by that nematode is it explained in CBSE this year?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, 18 का आंसर क्या दिया होगा? आपने पढ़ा है ना CBSE का बुक?
RNA interference.
RNA interference.
Yes, correct. Then 19 dash is a method of cellular defense in all eukaryotes. It will be same RNA interference. Same one, same answer. Next question 20. Identify the incorrect statement with respect to RNA technology. If you are having CBSE book in your hand, you can read that and then tell me the answer, no problem. Do you have CBSE book in your hand? नहीं तो अपने notes में देखो ऊपर. I will also find out so I can tell you where it is given exactly. I will refer to that.
Ma'am, D option incorrect.
See, it is given there. अपने notes में भी है देखो. Those students who have not seen the notes, page number तो मुझे यहाँ पे दिखाई नहीं देता है. लेकिन pest resistant plants ये टॉपिक है. अपने notes PDF में देखो उन्होंने लिखा है वो pest resistant plants. उसमें उन्होंने ये सब कुछ दिया है. Nematode that Belidogain infects the roots of tobacco plant and causes great reduction in the yield. This infestation is prevented using the process of RNA interference. RNA interference is the phenomenon of cellular defense in eukaryotes, which involves silencing of a specific messenger RNA, whose translation is prevented by binding of a complementary double-stranded RNA. यानी कि I hope you are following. In this case, you know, when messenger RNA is produced, that messenger RNA, I hope you remember protein synthesis ka translation topic. Messenger RNA, when it is produced, you know, it will get attached to the ribosome and then protein synthesis will take place, translation will take place. But before that only, what will happen? This complementary double-stranded RNA, which is there, it will bind with that messenger RNA and then translation will not take place only. Translation नहीं होगा तो वो protein form ही नहीं होगा. Protein form नहीं होगा इसका मतलब वो enzyme or जो hormone, whatever it is, it will not be produced. So this method involves silencing of specific messenger RNA caused due to its binding to complementary RNA, which prevents the translation of messenger RNA. तो अपने को आंसर मिल ही गया है उसमें, isn't it? So what answer you have given me? Which is this question?
Ma'am, D option is incorrect.
क्वेश्चन नंबर क्या है अपना ये?
20.
क्या आंसर दिया मुझे क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 का?
Ma'am, D option.
Identify the incorrect statement with respect to yes, which answer you have given me?
Ma'am, D option.
That means क्या लिखा है? सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड लिखा होगा ना उसमें?
It is double standard.
हाँ, ओके. नाउ 21 करेंगे ना अभी है, या आगे का मेडिसिन वाला करेंगे, क्योंकि यही क्वेश्चन बार बार आ रहे हैं. तो चलो स्टार्ट करेंगे मेडिसिन वाला. बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, बायोटेक्नोलॉजिकल एप्लीकेशंस इन मेडिसिन. 26 वाला करो चलो. <clears throat> 26 to 30, 5 minutes time. Solve 5 and tell me. 26 to 30. 5 minutes time. And everybody should participate. Answer ढूंढ लो. If you are not doing anything, it is of no use wasting time. 41 students are there. So at least 8 or 10 students should participate. क्योंकि मैं ही क्वेश्चन पूछूं और मैं ही आंसर दूं, वो बराबर नहीं है ना. तो यू टेक टाइम, यू रीड द नोट्स, फाइंड आउट करो. सब कुछ अपने नोट्स में है आंसर्स. If you want more time, I can give you more time, because this is not exam that you have to complete one question in 1 minute. ढूंढ लो आंसर, I will give you time. 26 से 30 कर लो. First answer you will get on page number 315. जिन्होंने नोट्स नहीं देखे उनके लिए देखो, इसका आंसर दिया है. 30 recombinant therapeutics approved for human use worldwide. About 12 are currently being marketed. So you will get the answer. Even for insulin, it is given. Read that.
Done, ma'am.
Done. तो 26 का आंसर क्या होगा?
Ma'am, 30.
30. Correct. 30. Because I read that sentence. 27. In humans, insulin is synthesized as prohormone containing
C peptide.
And it is absent in mature insulin. Correct. Which of the following organ of slaughter cattle and pigs was being used for extraction of insulin?
Pancreas.
Correct.
Pancreas.
Correct. You know that islets of Langerhans which are present in the pancreas, they secrete insulin. So naturally answer is pancreas. Okay, next one. The two polypeptides of human insulin are linked together by.
Disulfide bridges.
Disulfide bridges.
We have studied this in proteins also in 11th standard under the topic biomolecule. Okay, next one. Following are the parts, components of human insulin except.
C-peptide.
Correct, C-peptide. Only two are there, polypeptide chain A and B. C-peptide is not there present in human insulin. Correct. चलो अभी 31 से 35 है. मेडिसिन वाला टॉपिक जिनको नहीं आता है वो पढ़ो, थोड़ा सा मिल जाएगा.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, everybody remaining students.
Done, ma'am.
Huh? Done.
Done.
Okay. Okay. That is question number 31. An American company, Eli Lilly, introduced DNA sequences encoding A and B chains of human insulin in
Plasmids of E. coli.
correct plasmids of E. coli. They produced DNA for coding chain A and B, and then they introduced into the E. coli. Even along with diagram, it is given in the notes. Then which kind of therapy was given in 1990 to a 4-year-old girl with ADA deficiency?
Gene
Gene
therapy.
therapy.
Gene therapy, correct. Gene therapy is there in biotechnology. Remaining are not there. Name the targeted gene in first clinical gene therapy.
Adenosine deaminase.
Adenosine deaminase.
Correct. Which of the following cells are used to treat ADA deficiency?
Lymphocytes.
Lymphocytes.
Lymphocytes. Then ADA deficiency, it's caused due to yes, from name also you can find out.
Deletion of the gene coding for adenosine deaminase.
For adenosine deaminase.
The gene is not there, so it will not code for that. Correct. Now 36 to 40. Karo. 5 minutes. Again, you take time, find out from the notes and tell me. When you will complete, tell me.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Very good. बाकी लोगों ने किया है, चालू करेंगे. 36. The patient requires periodic transfusion of genetically engineered lymphocytes for treating ADA deficiency as
B option.
second one. Yes, because they are not permanent. They are going to die, isn't it? They will be destroyed. So you have to
Yes.
introduce again and again genetically engineered lymphocyte. We have to introduce into the body of the patients time to time. Correct. Identify the vector used to introduce the functional ADA cDNA into lymphocytes.
Retroviral vector.
It is given there, isn't it? Retroviral vector. It is given there, so you know that. 38 का क्या होगा? Which of the following are conventional methods of diagnosis of a disease?
Serum and urine analysis.
Yes, serum and urine analysis is done generally. 39, which of the following technique involves amplification of DNA for diagnosis of HIV?
PCR.
PCR technique, correct. PCR technique is done. ELISA follows the principle of 40. I hope it is given there.
Antigen antibody interaction.
Interaction. It is given there na, in our notes.
Yes.
I think it is given. Yes. Now 41 से 45 तक करो.
Done, ma'am.
Huh. 41. What is search from patient's body? What do you think?
Antigen.
Antigen or antibody? What do you think? Because this answer I'm not getting in the notes. What do you think? Antigen or antibody? 41, I think I will find out from the, maybe from some other book or from net.
Ma'am, antigen, antibody, both.
Antigen, antibody?
Both.
That is why I will find out again, because I think same, but we will have to check it, isn't it? So I will check it. You also, you can check it on internet. 42. In which of the following technique ssDNA or ssRNA is tagged with radioactive probe?
Autoradiography.
Autoradiography. जिनको आंसर नहीं आता है, you have to read the notes. Notes में ये सब कुछ दिया है, थोड़ा पढ़ो. 43. Identify the technique used for detection of very low concentration of bacteria or virus in the patient.
PCR.
Yes, it is PCR. It is given there. 44. When genomic DNA is fragmented and cloned, the screening of desired gene is done by using. The answer for that is antibody. Question number 41. Question number 41. Answer is antibody only. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
41 answer antibody. Now, next one. When genomic DNA is fragmented and cloned, the screening of desired gene is done by using. I think I have to give you time for this. You want to solve these questions or you have already solved? If you want time, take 5 minutes. No problem. जो students answer नहीं दे रहे उनके लिए, see, if you want to appear for this exam very seriously, you will have to do hard work. See, without reading, ऐसे ही आराम से कुछ भी करो करके एग्जाम होने वाली नहीं है. Because if you get marks, it is of no use. You should come in merit, then only you will get admission. तो आपको थोड़ा और हार्ड वर्क करना है सबको. Read the module, read CBSE book, try to solve as many questions as you can. सिर्फ अपने नोट्स में दिए उतने क्वेश्चंस काफी नहीं है. Now you are very lucky students. इंटरनेट पे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस मिलते हैं आपको. सिर्फ आप टाइप करो नीट एग्जाम चैप्टर नंबर दिस जो चैप्टर आपको करना है MCQ. You will get many questions and you can solve them. Submit it. You will get the answers also. That means from your side, more work is necessary. So और पढ़ाई करो, टाइम पास कम करना है. Still, I think 8 or 9 months are there. May में होती है ना एग्जाम. If everything goes on smoothly, कोरोना वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है, तो मई में हो जाएगी एग्जाम. नहीं तो पता नहीं कब होने वाली है. This year it was in August, September. क्योंकि if you are not studying, it is of no use wasting your time. वेनो हो जाएंगे क्वेश्चन तो मुझे बोल देना. 51 तक जाना, 51 तक, so that we will complete this. फिर we will start with that ethical issue. कर लो सब सब क्वेश्चन कर लो. You can refer to the notes. Notes में सब कुछ दिया है. When you will finish, tell me.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I start? When genomic DNA is fragmented and cloned, the screening of desired gene is done by using yes. What will be the answer? CET में पूछा था देखो 2016. What is the answer?
मैम DNA probes.
Yes, DNA probe. Probe का मतलब क्या है? Baby, this question I think was asked once, and that is why I'm asking you. The probe is और option दिए थे. So what is probe? If you don't know, I will tell. Probe is single stranded DNA with known nitrogen bases. Probe is single stranded DNA with known nitrogen bases. देखो अभी समझो, somebody, some scientists want to find out a gene, isolate a gene from a genome. You know what is genome? Genome means all the genes present in haploid set of chromosome, including mitochondria and chloroplast if it is a plant. Then in that case, when they are fragmented and stored in the form of clones आपको पता है, then in that case, if some scientists want to isolate a particular gene, that scientist must be knowing the sequence of nitrogen bases present in that gene. So if he knows that, we can produce single-stranded DNA with complementary nitrogen bases. और वो radioactive probe हम लोगों ने वो library में डाल दिया, because genomic library is preserved. Then naturally, the clones are also single-stranded and this probe is also single-stranded. So complementary होगे तो you know weak hydrogen bonds will be formed, joining will take place, and from that we can easily find out the desired gene from that genomic library. So DNA probe is our answer. So what is probe? Probe is single-stranded DNA with known nitrogen bases. Now next one, presence of pathogenic antigen in human can be detected by. Given in our notes. Yes, it is given in the notes only. Molecular diagnosis of diseases involves the use of. You know that it is given in the notes only, or you have studied this?
All of the above.
Yes, all the three. Correct. PCR technique, rDNA technique, and ELISA. Correct. Now transgenic animals. Which of the following transgenic animal exists in maximum number? If you don't know, you can just read the notes and tell me, find out. It is given
Mice.
There. Mice, correct. Which of the following human protein is produced in transgenic cow rhodesi?
Alpha-lactalbumin.
Yes. It is given in the notes. Then dash of alpha-lactalbumin is present per liter of milk of transgenic cow rhodesi. It is given there.
2.4 grams.
2.4.
Yes, it is given. Protein alpha-1 antitrypsin is used to treat. It is again given there.
Emphysema.
Yes, it is given there. Match the column and tell me the option. Find out. It will take time, I know.
Ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, what is southern blotting?
Southern blotting. See, I hope you have studied that. What is the topic you have studied in that?
My molecular basis.
No, not that. We have to take the DNA, isolate the DNA. 1 minute, I will take time. But topic is there and you have studied that DNA is negatively charged. And when you put the DNA on agarose, takes place. Name of that topic is what? What is the name of the topic? You have studied this. Maybe this year only. DNA fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting आपको है ना सिलेबस में या नहीं है?
मैम नहीं है.
नहीं है. That is why. See, in DNA fingerprinting, नहीं है ये टॉपिक DNA fingerprinting.
No, ma'am.
I used to teach this topic, नहीं है? Okay, I will tell you. DNA fingerprinting जो topic है ना, उसमें what is the principle? See, if it is not there, I don't know. But otherwise, questions are asked on that DNA fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting means, you know, when any you can say many rape case may be there, or maybe you can say murder case is there. Then in that case, हमारे यहाँ CID officers क्या करते हैं? Fingerprints लेते हैं. But you know the fingerprint. So by plastic surgery, fingerprints can be changed. So nowadays, DNA fingerprinting is done. उसका मतलब क्या है? What is DNA fingerprinting? Whatever DNA is present in our cells, it is very unique to the person. That means, you know, DNA is having nitrogen bases, and this sequence of nitrogen bases is peculiar for everyone. Actually, only 4 nitrogen bases are there. But the sequence of nitrogen bases present in the human body, individual, it is very specific and it will not change. And some particular sequence of nitrogen base is repeated many times in the body of human being. And what is that? It is called as variable number tandem repeats. Variable number tandem repeats. VNTR. And it is very specific to a person. So by looking at that VNTR, we can find out the suspect. Suspicion. पता है आपको कि CID ऑफिसर जब कुछ हो जाएगा, मर्डर हो जाए, रेप हो जाए, they say so many persons are there, suspicion is there. So वो कैसे find out करते हैं कि किसने किया है वो? We can find out with the help of this DNA fingerprinting. तो वो जो आदमी है उसका DNA लेते हैं. Now from where the DNA can be taken? Any sample will do. Maybe blood or hair, teeth, anything. And from that sample of DNA is taken और उसका नंबर by PCR टेक्निक से एम्प्लीफिकेशन करते हैं वो जीन का, और वो जो DNA है ना वो एगारो जेल पे डाल देते हैं. एगारो जेल अगर इज यू नो इट इज अ सेल वॉल ऑफ रेड एल्म, तो उसका जेल बनाते हैं, दैट इज एगारो जेल. और एगारो जेल पे वो DNA डालने के बाद इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस इज डन. इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस इज डन तो क्या होता है उससे? DNA is negatively charged, so it will move to the positive pole, and the smaller DNA segments will move first and then longer one. And ये जो टेक्निक है ना उसको सदर्न ब्लॉटिंग टेक्निक बोलते हैं. उस वैसे नॉर्दर्न ब्लॉटिंग टेक्निक भी है, लेकिन जनरली सदर्न ब्लॉटिंग टेक्निक इज यूज्ड. So ये जो मैंने पूरा प्रोसेस बोल दिया ना उसको सदर्न ब्लॉटिंग टेक्निक बोलते हैं. Have you followed southern blotting technique?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
and in India also DNA fingerprinting is done. So where, what is the application of this DNA fingerprinting? Application, see if any rape case is there, then in that case we can use this. Murder ho gaya hai, so we can use this. Even in American army for the soldiers, this DNA fingerprinting is done for every soldier. So समझो बाद में if any soldier died in the war और पता ही नहीं चल रहा है, ऐसे बॉडी की कंडीशन है कि पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि कौन मर गया, then in that case from that dead body the scientist can remove the DNA और उनके पास already DNA fingerprinting का लिस्ट रहता है सब soldiers का, तो जिसके साथ मैचिंग हो जाएगा from that they can say that this is the body of such and such person. तो उसमें भी वो पता चलता है. Not only that, कभी कभी केस होती है कि one child is stolen, maybe from the hospital, and 2 ladies are saying that this is my child. Then in that case, again here, DNA fingerprinting can be done for the child and for that lady, and we can find out who is the real mother of that child. So in many cases, we can use this DNA fingerprinting. So DNA fingerprinting मेरे हिसाब से तो अपने सिलेबस में है. अभी नए सिलेबस में रिमूव किया होगा तो पता नहीं, because last 2-3 years I have not taught this chapter, maybe. Okay, now next one. लेकिन आपको पता चला ना what is southern blotting?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम वेस्टर्न और नॉर्दर्न में क्या होता है फिर?
Difference ना, that much in detail I don't know. फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन कर सकते हैं। लेकिन नॉर्दर्न ब्लॉटिंग टेक्निक पे हम लोगों को ज्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं है। मे बी दैट प्रोसेस विच इज देयर इट मे बी डिफरेंट नॉर्दर्न ब्लॉटिंग में, और कुछ नहीं। सो 51 का आंसर क्या है? दिया है ये अपने नोट्स में ही है सब कुछ।
D option.
ओके, यस, डी ऑप्शन इज डी, करेक्ट। अभी आगे का करो। 52 से लेके कितने हैं क्वेश्चंस? 56, 56 ना? नहीं है, और भी है। करो, स्टार्ट करो। 51 to 55, 51 नहीं, 52 to 55। इसकी आपकी टेस्ट हो गई? ये बायोटेक्नोलॉजी की टेस्ट थी ना, शायद हो गई वो?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, हम लोग पीछे। कैसे थे वो? इजी थे क्वेश्चंस? बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट सीन द पेपर। इजी थे या डिफिकल्ट थे?
इजी थे।
इजी थे ना? हाँ। अभी नेक्स्ट संडे है कुछ टेस्ट?
No, ma'am. अब तक कुछ आया नहीं है।
अभी तक नहीं ना? हाँ, क्योंकि मुझे आगे कौन सा चैप्टर है वो पूछना था, इसलिए। ठीक है, आई विल आस्क इन द ऑफिस। आप लोगों को ऑफलाइन क्लास नहीं है ना अभी तक? अभी कॉलेज स्टार्ट होने वाला है ना 4 अक्टूबर से? न्यूज में तो बोल दिया था।
ऑफलाइन क्लासेस चालू है।
होणार आहेत ना?
चालू है अभी ऑफलाइन क्लासेस।
क्लासेस भी चालू हो गया तो कॉलेज नहीं ना हुआ है?
नहीं, अभी तक नहीं।
कॉलेज 4 अक्टूबर से है शायद। Because nowadays I don't come to class because of corona only. I stopped last year only. ओके, चलो 52 से लेकर 56 तक। सॉल्व करके हो गया तो बोल देना। चले स्टार्ट और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
Which body of government of India regulates GM research and safety of introducing GM organism for public services?
Genetic Engineering Approval Committee.
Correct. GESC, correct. In India, the In India, the organization responsible for assessing the safety of introducing genetically modified organism for public use is?
D option.
Again, same GEAC. Which of the following food grain is distinct for its unique aroma and flavor? Very simple.
Rice.
Rice, that is basmati rice.
Basmati.
Among the following, which products were subjected to patent? Again, simple. Have you heard about all the above? Correct.
All the above.
All the above, neem, basmati rice and turmeric. All the above, that is correct. And you know, you have studied this in bio patents, that the patents were given to American company.
Yes.
And by the work of Dr. Mashelkar and his team, we got the patents back. Then 56, biopiracy refers to.
C option.
Yes, correct. Use of bioresources, correct. Use of next question, use of bioresources by multinational companies and organizations without authorization from the concerned country and its people is called
Biopiracy.
correct. A new variety of rice was patented by a foreign company. Though such varieties have been present in India for a long time, this is related to
Basmati.
Basmati. The bio patent is granted for a biological entities by you know who gives bio patents?
Government.
Government, correct. Question number 60. You want to solve? Shall I give you time? 60 से लेके 66 तक. ले
Yes,
लो
ma'am.
time. हाँ, करो करो. All 7 questions you solve. Yes. Have you done the next one, 60?
Yes, ma'am.
Because something went wrong, I don't know. Microphone was muted, ऐसा कुछ message मुझे आ गया. Okay. Genetically modified organisms can be made using
Recombinant technology.
yes, with recombinant technology, we can do it. 61. Select the incorrect statement from the following. बाप रे कितना लंबा है.
Ma'am, C option.
Correct, correct. Most of the developing and underdeveloped countries are financially poor as well as poor in biodiversity and traditional knowledge. This is wrong statement. Because example is given in our book only that India is poor country, but we are rich in biodiversity and traditional knowledge. So C is the answer. Golden rice, next question. Golden rice is genetically modified crop plant where the incorporated gene is meant for biosynthesis of. You know
Vitamin
this.
A. Vitamin A.
Which vitamin?
A.
Correct. Correct. Then study the following list. किया है ये क्वेश्चन? वेक्टर, व्हाट इज वेक्टर? वेक्टर का एक का आंसर आएगा टीआई प्लाज्मिड,
TI plasmid.
तो 1 का डी, तो ए ऑप्शन नहीं, पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो वो एक हो गया। बाद में क्या है उसके बाद? डाउनस्ट्रीम प्रोसेस। डाउनस्ट्रीम प्रोसेस मीन्स आई थिंक आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू whatever we do after fermentation, that is purifying proteins in biopharmaceuticals, that is E. तो 2 का आंसर है E। तो देखो डी चला गया, तो अपना ऑप्शन कौन सा रह गया? बी और सी में से कुछ तो अपना आंसर है। तो अभी क्राई ए बी देखो, क्राई ए बी एंड ट्रांसपोजोन्स। ट्रांसपोजोन्स आर जंपिंग जीन्स, तो ट्रांसपोजोन्स हम लोगों को मेज में मिलते हैं, तो उसके लिए कुछ है क्या? देखो, हाँ, ट्रांसपोजोन्स के लिए मोबाइल जेनेटिक एलिमेंट्स, वो आंसर है, यानी कि बी। तो ट्रांसपोजोन इज IV में आंसर इज बी, so our answer is C. Answer is C. Have you studied transposons? No. Do you know transposons?
No, ma'am.
No. So I will tell you something, not everything in detail, but something. Transposons are called as jumping genes, and they were first discovered in maize plant. In maize plant, there are certain jumping genes. Jumping gene का मतलब क्या है? You know, on the DNA, small segment of DNA is called a gene, but that gene can change its position, maybe in the same chromosome or maybe on another chromosome. That means they can change their position. So they are called as jumping genes. And these jumping genes which are there, when they are there, naturally what will happen? When they change their position, the phenotype means external appearance of the organism will change. Maybe some physiology will also change. And in human being also, such jumping genes are there, and they are called as ALU sequence. ALU sequence. In human being, the transposons are called as jumping genes, ALU sequence. And this was, in case of male, when they were discovered first, the scientist's name is Barbara McClintock. Barbara, she studied this jumping genes in maize plant first time, and for this discovery, she got a Nobel Prize also. I don't remember the year and all, but remember, transposons are jumping genes, and they can change their position in the same chromosome or on another chromosome, but in the same genome, in the same cell. And वैसे jumping genes अपने body में भी है. Okay, so that is transposons. Now 64 का आंसर क्या होगा? Identify the wrong statement. तिकडे ठेवले हैं, बोर्ड तिकडे, दोनों से लगते इथे सूर्य आहे. Identify the wrong statement. इमीडिएटली आपको मिलेगा एक. B is wrong. In tobacco plant, cry genes are introduced against nematode. They are not introduced against nematode, but they are introduced against bollworm. So B is wrong. Then gene therapy is to be taken for infectious diseases where genes are inserted into person's cells. That is also wrong. And injustice, inadequate compensation.
Wrong.
Huh?
D is also wrong.
D is also wrong. So answer is B. Correct. Answer is B. Now 65. Mice are more successfully produced transgenic animals due to following. Yes. Do you know when any animal or plant is selected for experiments, its lifespan should be small so that we can study many generations. And that is why, you know, Mendel has also selected garden pea plant. Garden pea plant ka life cycle itna short hai, it may be 4 to 5 months also. So we can study many generations. And that is why small lifespan, short lifespan, it is an important criteria for selection of the organism. So इसका आंसर होगा short generation time 65 का. कोपऱ्यात मोठी बच्ची, कोपऱ्यात वर कोपऱ्यात मोठी बच्ची. 66 dsRNA is used to develop pest resistant tobacco plant by a technique called. पता है आपको, अभी अभी किया हम लोगों ने. What is the answer?
RNA interference.
Yes, very good. So यहाँ तक हमारे questions हो गए. Practice problems, as you know, you are going to solve on your own. So ये homework पकड़ो. And then if you are having any doubt in that, you can ask me in the next lecture. Next lecture अभी next Sunday होगा, but I don't know which topic we are going to do. Whether it is 11th standard or 12th standard, वो मुझे पता नहीं. 11th standard के भी बहुत सारे